The first signs of aging often show up in our eyes. Hours of scrolling, late night work, and stress leave them dry, strained, and weaker each day. But what if the answer wasn't a pill or drops, but a simple glass of juice? Today, I'm going to share with you a recipe that ancient wellness traditions loved. A cooling, hydrating drink made from cucumber and aloe vera, designed to refresh, nourish, and protect your eyes from the inside out. Why your eyes need healing? Think about it. Your eyes are constantly bombarded. Blue light from screens, pollution in the air, sleepless nights. Even the foods we eat. Too much processed sugar or fried snacks can reduce blood circulation and rob your eyes of nutrients. That's why so many people experience blurry vision, dryness, or eye fatigue by the time they hit their 30s. But nature has always offered quiet solutions. Cucumber, known as the cooling vegetable in Ayurvedic and Greek medicine, is rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect the retina. Antioxidant is one of the most common nutrient deficiencies in the world. And guess what? It's also the easiest to prevent. You can get plenty of antioxidants from foods like spinach, kale, broccoli, carrots, and citrus fruits. But did you know that cooking these foods can destroy up to 90% of their antioxidant power? That's why raw fruits and vegetables are always better, just like Mother Nature intended. Raw, uncooked foods have more antioxidants and are easier for your body to absorb. Plus, they come with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support your overall health. Now let's focus on our eyes. Did you know that prolonged computer use or staring at your phone can cause a 66% drop in blink rate? This leads to a lack of lubrication and dries out your eyes. But here's the good news. Eating raw fruits and vegetables like cucumbers can boost blood flow and bring life back into your tired eyes. Aloe vera, often called the plant of immortality by the Egyptians, is packed with vitamins A, C, and E, exactly the nutrients your eyes crave. These nutrients strengthen blood vessels, boost collagen production, and protect against harmful free radicals. They even offer a gentle exfoliating action to keep your eyes bright and clear. So whether it's a hot summer day or you're battling dry eyes, this juice is your go-to. Now let's dive into how to make this refreshing juice. It's super simple. 1 medium cucumber, chilled 2 tablespoons fresh aloe vera gel from the plant, not bottled if possible, 1 cup cold water or coconut water, a squeeze of fresh lemon, 1 teaspoon raw honey optional. For taste, step 1. Wash and peel the cucumber, chop into small pieces. Step 2. Scoop out fresh aloe gel, rinse it well to remove the yellow resin. Step 3. Blend cucumber, aloe, and water until smooth. Step 4. Add a splash of lemon and honey for flavor. Pour it into a glass. The color will be a light, soothing green, like a spa in a cup. Now, let's talk about when you should drink this juice. First thing in the morning, right after you wake up, or after long hours on your laptop when your eyes feel the burn. This juice is like a mini vacation for your eyes. It's hydrating, cooling, and packed with nutrients that support healthy vision. Let's be real. We all stare at screens for hours, often forgetting to blink or take breaks. But here's the problem. This constant screen time puts extra strain on our eyes, making them drier and more prone to fatigue. Plus, blue light from screens can disrupt our sleep cycles, leaving us with dark circles and puffiness around the eyes. But here's where this juice comes to the rescue. Packed with antioxidants and vitamins, it helps combat oxidative stress and inflammation caused by excessive screen time. Just think about it. Instead of reaching for another cup of coffee, you can sip on this juice. Within minutes, you'll feel more energized and your eyes will feel less strained. It's like giving your eyes a cool compress after a long day. And let's not forget about the natural sugars in the cucumber and aloe vera. Unlike processed sugars, these natural sugars provide a healthy energy boost without the crash. It's the perfect midday pick-me-up without the caffeine. So, if you're serious about protecting your eyesight naturally, give this cucumber aloe juice a try. Your eyes are priceless. Don't wait for them to remind you with pain or blurriness. Heal them, nourish them, and thank them for the vision they've given you every single day.